everyone, it's Deb here and I am back with another unboxing. This is the May unboxing. I can't believe how fast this year is flying by already. So let's jump in and see what the May Kitaholic Kits look like. Okay, so the mixed media kit, we got some Distress Oxide Spray, which is pretty exciting. I've never tried this stuff, in Spice Marmalade and Cracked Pistachio. So, I don't know, it looks, let's see. Oh, opaque ink coverage. Wow, that's going to be fun to play with. So we got them. And we got this awesome stencil from Darkroom Door. It is called Medium Stencil 9x6. It is called Creativity. So that is that, and it's got, I've always wanted a stencil like this with all the different words, and that is awesome. So that is the mixed media kit. So the embellishment kit, we have got the curios from Craft, which are the sorry, out of focus, which are those the glass kind of flare, and it is Paisley Days. So I think we got a lot of this collection from Kaiser in our kits this month, so they're very pretty. We got the Paisley Wooden Flourish Pack from Craft as well. Craft. Lots of fun embellishments in there, lots of flowers, which are cool. We got a sticker book. Okay, so the sticker book, you get 2 of each page. I love these sticker books, these are awesome. The washi kind of strips. Oh, look at all these florals. So pretty. We got some icons and some banners. So 2 pages of that. Some more florals and some borders. And then we get the alpha, some words, some little numbers and tabs and labels. So you got 2 pages of that as well. So that is the sticker book, and that is Paisley Days as well from Craft. We have got Journal Studio Heidi Swap die cut shapes. There's 50 in the pack. Oh, I like these numbers here. That's pretty cool. Lots of tags and wow, there is a lot of tags. That's awesome for Project Life, all them journaling spots. So we got that. And we also got Everyday Musings Puffy Alpha from Pink Press Studio, and there is 135 pieces on this alpha sheet. Give you a look at that. Got upper and lowercase, all different colors, and some numbers as well. So that is the embellishment kit. So moving on to the pocket page kit, and I'm loving this one. I just love the colors. I just love everything that Steph's put together. Just awesome. So we've got our acrylic word from Corbett Creations for May. And yeah, it's a black one. I thought it was a navy one when I first picked it up, but I think it is black, yeah. So we got that. We've got die cut shapes from Amy Tangerine. There's 36, includes craft and foil pieces. So I'm not sure what collection this is, because I don't really, I've stopped looking at collections because I just get that case of FOMO. I feel like I'm going to miss out if I see something and everyone's going gaga over it. So I try not to look. So if you know what this collection is, leave a comment below, because it looks like we've got, oh my goodness, it's another sticker book. And maybe this has got the collection written on it. No, it doesn't seem to. Must be a new collection. Anyway, 419 stickers in this book. How much was in that last book? Let's see. In the embellishment kit, we've got, doesn't tell you how many stickers are in this book, but between the two, that's a lot of stickers in 1 month. So let's have a quick look in this one. This one looks like it's clear stickers on the front. Oh, they all clear stickers. Wow. Oh, they are so pretty. You can see the foiling. Some more. Oh my goodness, there's white flowers and black flowers. Oh, the rabbits are so cute. I'm gonna have to keep them from Ava. Oh wow. Wow, this is really pretty book. Oh, and then we got, okay, so got some hearts, and then we've got, yeah, they look like they're clear stickers too, maybe. Some words. So that is awesome. Oh, and some white. Yeah, I don't know if that's going to pick up, but there are some white words on that one. And I do know that Amy Tangerine has her books where you can close it up like a matchbook to keep it all protected. So we got that. Then we've got Record Fawn enamel stickers. So a whole bunch of enamel dots there. We have got Twilight stickers, and they are awesome because they are a basic kind of black foam font, and you get numbers and icons too. Some geotags there and some arrows. That's pretty awesome actually. 284 in the pack. So there is that. Now we get the, I believe it's half a pack of the papers from the Kaiser car. Is it 6 1/2? I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, yeah, they're 6 1/2 by 6 1/2. So I'm going to just quickly flip through, and we get the sheets as is so you can make your own project life cards. And if you have any problems making your own project life cards, there will be a link down below, and it'll have a playlist with my project life videos where I try and do my best to show what you can do with these types of papers to make your own cards. So let's have a quick flip through here. Oops. Black and white stripe. They're also pretty too. So yeah, if you need some ideas on how to make your own project life cards, be sure to check out that link below. Wow, they're so pretty. I love the combination of these colours. It's not something that I normally kind of gravitate to as well. They're really striking together. So some of them have got the gloss kind of coating on them as well. Oop. So we've got them, and then there's the two kind of die cut ones where you just pop out the pieces, and we've got tabs and words and tags and frames, and so that is pretty awesome. So we also got 2 cut apart sheets by One Canoe 2, and they're both Twilight. This one here is called Feels Like Home. So a whole bunch of cut aparts. And that is the other side of that one. And then we've got build notes. So that is pretty cool. Very pretty. And it goes really well with the Paisley Days Kaisercraft I can't think collection. So we also got the exclusive die cuts. I'm going to open, try and save the baggie for layering. Oh, you get so many in the pocket page kit. So you get labels, and there's butterflies and flowers and ticket little things and faux flare, more labels, journaling cards. It's like crazy how much you get in the pocket page kit. So a lot to help you document your pocket pages. So that is the pocket page kit. Okay, so onto the main kit, and we have got, I'm going to start with, let's start with the stamp from Kaisercraft Paisley Days stamp. And this is awesome, this layerable butterfly. I don't know if that's a word. And these florals down here, how awesome is that? So we got that. We've got a bottle of stickles in unicorn, and I do love stickles in this color because you can layer it on anything. It looks awesome. We got some glitter tape from Kaisercraft, and it is a silver glitter washi tape. We have got from Corbett Creations some chipboard, and they are like nested circles. So it starts from large, works into smaller. We've got the Kaisercraft Paisley Days collectibles, so the die cuts for the Paisley Day collection. So what does it say? 40 or more pieces in there. Oh, we've got patio party stickers, and wow, they are a cool pattern. It's like a wood grain. Is the camera going to pick that up? It's like a wood grain pattern on there, and the words are already done, and they're quite thin. They're pretty cool. Then we get into the excuse me, pattern papers. So we've got from Paisley Days, this one is called Good Vibes, and it's a gorgeous one. So gorgeous. That is the back side. This one is called Groovy. So I don't know how well that's going to show up on the camera because it's a dark day here, and I think my lights might be washing things out a bit, but it's like a light, like it's darker down here and a lighter wash of blue up the top. So that is the back side. This one is called Retro. It's got the Paisley. I used to be obsessed with Paisley patterns. This one is called Soul. And it's got the pretty floral on the back. Okay, next one is called Boho. That one on the back. This one is called Smiles. This one is called Gypsy. I love this one. This one is called Positivity. And that is the back too. Alright, so we've also got the exclusive die cuts. Making a mess of the bag. for the main kit. So again, get labels and words and all different things. Whoops, now I'm dropping things. All different things to help you document and put on your pages. I'm just dropping them everywhere. So I'm going to load this all into my new scrapbook storage. If you didn't see my last video, I'll leave a link below. I got the really useful box, and I've been loving it, absolutely loving it. So I'm going to load that in, all this stuff in there now, and that will be it. I'll probably, yeah, just put you on fast forward, load all this stuff in, and I will leave those links below. And of course, check out Kitaholic Kits. The links will be below for that as well. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.